Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through one of the most beautiful countries in the world. And guess what? We just bought 3 vending machines. That's right, they're right behind us on a trailer, ready to start their new life making lovely coins. Alright, we made it back, and there they are. 2 of the vending machines are safely inside the garage, and the third one is covered up outside. Now we're in the front of the Euphomer machine. I will be honest, I'm not so familiar with this brand, but I want to give it a shot and see how it's performed when it's in the field. Who knows, maybe I will be surprised. The vending machine have a conveyor belt, which I believe make it possible to sell items that are traditional not so easily to distribute through a vending machine. On this side we got a vending machine. I have 5 other machines just like this one, and let me tell you, I love this. I feel like I always can trust this kind of machine to do the work. In Norway, cash is not used very often, as mostly people prepare card and mobile payment. At certain locations, I do offer cash payment, but only upon request. The advantage of not accepting cash is that it's eliminated issue with the coin mechanism, and the machine are safe outside since there is no money inside them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Your support helps me to create more content like this. See you next time.